Hey our friends, we're gonna draw a snowman dragon.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along with us. We're going to use a pencil first to draw the main shapes, and then we're going to use our marker after that.
Yes.
But you can also use whatever you feel comfortable drawing with. We're also using marker paper. All right, you ready to start?
Yep.
Let's first start by drawing our snowball on top, our snow dragon's head. We're going to draw it towards the top, but a little to the left so that we have room on the right side for the tail coming out and also the wing. We're going to draw an oval shape. I'm going to start here at the top, and we're going to draw it coming around and connecting where we started. Then for the body, we're going to draw a circle, and I'm going to draw it bigger. We'll get a little wobbly. That's okay, right? Because we're using our pencils so that we can draw the main shapes, and then we're going to use our markers. So these lines can be messy too if you want to redraw them or draw them differently. Maybe you draw it this size and then you realize you want to draw it bigger. You can draw a different circle and then erase the circle you don't want to keep.
Yeah.
Now let's connect the head to the body. We're going to start here under the chin and we're going to connect to the belly. Then the back of the head, we can connect down to the back of the circle. Yeah, and then we could also add, let's add another circle right here for the back leg. And we're going to draw this same curve right here on the front of the circle. We're going to draw it right here for the other leg to make it look 3D. And let's also draw the tail. I'm going to start here and we're going to draw the tail curving around. I'm going to turn my paper this way and we can draw continuing all the way over and stopping there. Yeah, and then we can also start here and we'll draw a point on the tail, curving back, and we'll get further away so the tail gets thicker. And I'm going to connect into the back of the leg. And I think also I'm going to change this curve so it comes out more this way and then curves into the tail. Yeah, I like that better. Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
And then we can erase that line, the first line that we don't want to keep. The last thing we're going to use our pencil for is drawing in our wings. So we're going to draw a little bend here, then we'll come up, and then we're going to bend out to the side. Then let's add 3 more curves coming down from this little corner. I'm turning my paper this way to make it a little easier to draw them. Yeah. Then we can connect these curves with more curves in between and go back into our snow dragon. Then we can also add the wing on the other side to make it 3D. On the left side, I'm going to start here and just draw the line straight. It's still bent, but because we're looking at it from a different angle, it looks straight. And then we can curve out just like we did over here to match. And we could go a little faster. We're going to add 3 more curves. And then we can draw the curves going in between. We have the main shapes to our snow dragon. Now let's switch to our marker. Also, if you want, you could keep drawing with a pencil and add the details. That way you could erase if you want to. We're going to add our dragon's face next. Let's start by drawing a carrot for the nose. I'm going to start here. We're going to draw a sideways, what is that? A curve?
Yeah.
I was going to say sideways U shape, but it's more of a
Backwards C.
Yeah, backwards C. There you go. Then we're going to turn this into a carrot by drawing the top coming out. And I'm curving up a little. And then we're going to start here and we'll add a point and connect to the bottom. Now let's draw the eyes. We're going to draw a circle right here on the right. And we could draw a circle over here, but let's squish it so it looks more 3D. So we're going to draw an oval shape, and we're only drawing part of it since it's behind the carrot. And then let's add a little highlight and color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Next, let's also add carrot horns. I'm going to start here. We'll draw that same curve like we did for the nose, and then we're going to draw it curving out and back down. We could also add the spikes going down our dragon's head and neck. I'm going to draw a line here first. That's inside the pencil line. And then we can draw upside down U-shapes and connect them. Maybe these are Doritos chips. I don't know.
Or giant gumdrops.
Oh yeah, that's better. Let's also trace over the pencil line right here and connect to the carrot. We don't want to draw through the carrot. And then we're going to come on the bottom side and continue through. And let's go all the way to the other carrot. Well, it kind of made it a little bumpy. That's okay. And then let's also come back here and we'll add the carrot horn on the other side. Yes, that looks awesome. Next, let's draw the back of the neck coming down. And we could also draw the belly or the front of the neck and the belly line. We'll just trace over the pencil line down to the foot or the leg. Oh, we forgot the mouth. Let's draw a really happy smile. I'm going to draw a big curve going, oh, really big. This is a friendly snow dragon. And then we can draw a little cheek line too if we want. Okay, now let's draw the wings. I'm going to start here. We'll trace over the pencil line. I'm going to come up here, but we could add a little extra detail to our wings too. I'm going to add a little talon or claw. And then let's trace over the pencil line coming out here. Let's make this thicker. We'll come back and down and then into our body. Then we can make these extra, I don't know what these are called, little fingers inside of the wing. We'll make those thicker too. I'm going to trace over the pencil line, and then we'll come back and make them thicker for all three of them. Next, we can connect those fingers together with the little curve. Before we keep going, let's switch to our eraser, and we can erase the pencil lines going through the carrot and also the pencil lines you can still see up here at the top. Now let's do the same thing and repeat all of those same steps for this wing. This part will speed up, so remember to pause the video. You can take extra time to finish your wings. We also added snow to the top of our wings, and you could add different things. Maybe icicles or even snowflakes.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah. All right, let's keep going. We're going to trace over the back of our snow dragon. I'm going to come down all the way and connect to there. Well, actually, we could just keep going. Let's trace over the whole tail with our marker. I'm going to do the same thing for the bottom of the tail too. Then we can also add the leg, trace over the top, and then I'm going to add toes right here. We can add 3 little toes sticking out the bottom. Then on this leg, we'll trace over, and we can add the toes here too. So I'm going to add a little curve, and we can add 2 more curves for the other toes, and then we'll draw the bottom of the foot connecting to the belly. Let's also add the rest of the spikes going down our dragon. Ooh, squeaky. I'm going to draw those upside down U-shapes or sideways U-shapes going all the way down the neck. Yeah, maybe these are big gumdrop shapes. We could draw these or color them multicolor. And then I'm going to go down the tail also. Maybe not all the way across the tail. We'll just stop right there. Oh, we almost forgot the arms. Let's draw an arm right here. I'm gonna draw another curve for the hand, and we could draw two little curves going this way for the fingers. And then let's draw an arm right here too. We'll connect to the leg. I'm gonna curve around, and I'm gonna add another little curve right here. And then we can add two little finger lines. Oh, and we can't forget the cold buttons for our snow dragon, just like a snowman.
Yeah.
We're gonna draw 3 circles going down the belly, and we can color those in solid. We finished drawing our snow dragon. It looks really cool, except we still need to
Color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. Oh, and also be sure to erase any of the pencil lines you can still see.
Okay.
All right, you ready to fast forward?
Yes.
We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our snow dragons, and they turned out awesome. Especially love yours.
Thanks, I like yours too.
Oh, thanks. And I like that we added extra things to our drawings, like fire on the tail and snow.
And some rocks.
Oh yeah, and the background.
I also like that we use the pencil first.
Yeah, to draw the shapes first and get them the way that we want them before we use our markers.
And we hope you had a lot of fun drawing the snow dragon with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you take extra time to color your drawings and add more things. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.